but it just really works really nicely. So there is one thing which you might want to correct, is that the upper bouts are just a little bit wideish, just a little bit, like 1 millimeter or 1.5 millimeters. They are just a little bit out of tune. It's not really octave, it's just kind of slightly wider. And you can either ignore or just make a correction. And draw it freehand, for sure, draw it freehand. There's no need in drawing tools.
I see. Thank you, because I was feeling very paralyzed sometimes at making a mistake or getting it wrong. So this, just this attitude helps a lot with just going forward and trusting your instincts and learning from something.
Yeah. You will definitely speak, during the process, we'll definitely speak about proportions again and again, so no problem there.
Awesome.
Yeah. Thank you, Arbor. Very good question.